So every morning I doing minimum 2.5 hours for my fundamental exercise. It's a very basic exercise every morning. Minimum 2.5 hours. So because fundamental is most important. It's for trumpet player. The sound is most important. Beautiful sound, beautiful sound, beautiful sound. The sound. So sound is vibration from the science. So fundamental is so it's like a mouthpiece exercise and free breathing exercises. It's like very fundamental. So would you use this? Good. And even if free buzzing, to image like a trumpet in here, not finish in here. All the time, the air goes through far away. Good. And all the time, correct intonation and as possible as beautiful sound. Still. Yes. But which is better? It's like a or which is beautiful? Yeah. So to create clear sound. Then I know this is not easy, and because reason why I recommend this exercise, the embouchure is, I talked a little bit before, embouchure is here strong, but here soft. In piano, very strong, but soft inside. So keep here, and but air goes through. Here strong, air goes through, but here soft. So slowly, I show you. Don't forget, air goes through. Air. Because air make vibration. Air is like a lips. Lips is vibrated by air. Yeah, so air is important. Yeah. This sound, yeah, it's good, but it's still sound, not sound. Yeah, then. Yeah. Again. Don't forget. Yeah. It's this one. This exercise is not easy.
Yeah.
And I understand. It's chops. How to control chops? No. Chops is vibrated by air. So don't forget air.
You can do everything with air.
Yeah, air. It's like a to make open that door. Yeah. One, two. Yes. Good. One, two. So every day try to limit every day, and don't forget air. That lips is it's a chops. It's like a closing door to make. I show you my max is. Yeah, the high G is my limit. So every day try to. Then I doing. I doing pedal B flat to high G every day. So to make clear the vibration and to make chops. The muscle in here. Here muscle is we need muscle in here. So only it's like a mouthpiece exercise and the free bars is a good exercise to make muscle in here. Especially this free bars exercises. Very effective to make muscle in here. So every day 10 minutes maybe and with a piano, so to make the to feeling note, so it's so, and we never know how to make. It's like we don't have the textbook how to make concert B flat with chops. Nothing textbook. Just sing. When we sing this B flat, just imagine it. Look. Say the voice, not voice code. Our trumpet voice code is here. So just change, moved to here, and imagine it. Know what I mean? Yeah. So this is only way to make note, the feeling note. Yeah. The two. It's like So then I play mouthpiece exercise. Mouthpiece. Beautiful. Would you play much more bigger sound? B-flat trumpet is a 135 centimeter. B-flat trumpet. So we have to through 135 centimeter through. Mouthpiece is maybe 10 or something, but we have to make 135 centimeter. Good. Air blow. Not finish here. We have to imagine concert all the time. Yeah. More. Big sound. 1, 2. Big sound. 1, 2. Maybe more. Ringing sound, big sound. Yeah. 1, 2. Still small. Yeah. Please just concentrate together. Yes, one more time. Yes.
Your first notes.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yes.
So mouthpiece exercise is a good hobby. So maybe mouthpiece is much more difficult and much more need much more. Yeah, I sent last Sunday or Saturday when we make new habit to keep to again and again simple exercise, right? This is very easy. So again and again, every day, again and again. I'm still doing that. So never end. So okay? Next. Crescendo, please, to go to high.
Crescendo.
Yeah, little bit crescendo. Yeah. Da, da. It's like a sing. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Then back to low. And I think after high register exercise, I know. After high register exercise, I think it's golden time to practice low.
Straight.
Yeah, straight. Because then I will talk later. Because now golden time.
Okay.
Yeah. Big sound. Big sound. Okay. Big sound. One. high register exercise is golden time to practice low load, because I realize when we play, when we doing high register exercise, a lot of tension in here, and a lot of focusing, a lot of energy. But unfortunately, every trumpet player, not only us, low register, relax. But any range, we have to keep tension in here. Yeah. Again, ambusher is hard, strong here, soft here. Even if low register, same, strong here, soft here. This is golden rule. But unfortunately, I'm saying, go to down.
Yeah,
It's relax and less focus and less soul. So after I realized I doing every day, I play pedal B flat to double high B flat. And me, after double high B flat long note exercise, straight to pedal B flat again. The sound much more clear and much more bigger sound, and little bit feel not in here, feel little bit up. I don't know why. So I realized high note exercise. After high note exercise, golden time for low register. So
Must be clean.
yes.
Wow.
Straight. I show you.
I'm still struggling to make the notes in between. Yeah. We are going to connect the notes like
No.
Okay.
Just little bit breath,
Okay.
but same, no change. Keep tension. We should take breath from the nose. No change. Then stretch to lower. For example, okay. You know what I mean? Yeah. Take breath, not from here. No change, and keep same tension low. So, yeah. If less tension, right? But
So, sir, when you go high register, do you think low?
yeah, of course. Yeah. But I realize, of course, this is from James Stamp, but I think straight. Not this. I'm thinking not this way. This way. To make, if when sometimes we play big sound or some big sound, high note, high register, something, the energy is strong. I feel this way. This is from Hokan and developer. If strong energy to here, to make balance to here. So. Still. something the play trumpet? Would you play something the concerto? Would you play G, just long note? Do you feel something different?
I'm not sure for now.
Okay.
Because I was thinking about something now, like the pedal notes, how they must supposed to sound.
No, it's okay. Do you feel something difference?
Not the same note.
Yeah, same note. Now reason why now we did a lot of mouthpiece exercise. So after a lot of mouthpiece exercise, or maybe you are, I don't know your fundamental routine, but maybe less than today, I think. Right? So something you feel difference between yesterday or before yesterday and now. You know what I mean?
Much easier.
Much easier.
That's how I feel.
Much easier.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you understand my?
No, I don't understand.
Yeah, it's like now we did long time mouthpiece exercise.
Yes.
I guess your warm up, the warm up exercise is less than today, right?
Yes.
So what do you feel something difference between your regular after your regular mouthpiece exercise and mouthpiece exercise today? You understand?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you have something difference between yesterday or before yesterday and today?
No.
Nothing changed.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe.
But I usually, when I play mouthpiece,
Mhm.
I usually play low. So today I saw that you said high, like more.
Yeah.
Because maybe I think we tend to play low, trying to save our.
Yeah. And now my question is now you play F
Yes.
with trumpet.
Yes.
Something you feel something difference?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, how?
I don't know how to explain it. The sound is more open now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because this is the reason why. Again, very simple. Sound is vibration. The mouthpiece is when we play mouthpiece exercise, much more air, more than trumpet.
When you play before?
Yeah. So, and the vibration is much more stronger. So, when after a lot of mouthpiece exercise, play trumpet, more clear center, more vibration.
So meaning every time when we do mouthpiece exercise, we must practice with more sound.
I think so.
Right, yeah.
I think so.
Always.
Yes. Because air is same. Even trumpet, mouthpiece, same. If we play this mouthpiece this way, there's like a just 12 or 13 centimeter. Air is it's just.
Yeah.
But we need 135 centimeter. We have to through. So air is same. Yeah. So big sound.
Can I ask something else about the lead pipe?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why do you guys do exercise for lead pipe?
Yeah. This is also to create much more clear vibration.
Okay.
Yeah. The concert E flat measure. And the for trumpet F measure. for trumpet, F, G, F, E, okay. Yeah. Yes. I know.
It's like bending notes, right?
Yes. For trumpet to be flat is you are limited now. For now, try to. Concert is very difficult. But for now, okay. Yes. Yes. So yeah.
Yeah, bending notes from.
So, keep going. Yeah. So this exercise also. This is it's like you understanding. This is it's like the very difficult bending exercise. Yeah. So yeah. It's to create much more clear vibration. So keep going. Good. Right? Much more bigger sound. But you need much more because it is sorry. Anyway, would you play much more bigger sound? Keep. More bigger sound. Yes. Yeah. Try. And don't forget big sound. Okay. Then Then trumpet. Yeah. Usually, my 2.5 hour fundamental session, last for 30 minutes is a clock exercise and turning exercise.
30 minutes.
Yeah. And 2 hour of 2 hour is more fundamental things, but 20 minutes breathing exercise. And then 15 minutes. 15 minutes. This kind of exercise. Yeah. 15 minutes free bath and free bathing, mouthpiece exercise, lead pipe bathing. I spent 15 minutes. Then trumpet, only 20 minutes. Sometimes 15 minutes. It's mean trumpet is just a little bit. Because the mouthpiece here and maybe here. Because when we play mouthpiece and the free parts, we are imagining the sound in here.
Yeah.
But the trumpet
Makes it easier. Okay. 3 legs. Okay.
but same. Ah. Dun, da, 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 dun, da, 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 dun, 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 da, dun, 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 da, dun, 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 dun. Same. Maybe different here, but same.
Picks up.
Yeah. Same. Maybe the chops feeling is maybe little bit the difference, and air also little bit difference, but same. When we play mouthpiece, we are singing all the time because mouthpiece has not throat. But trumpet
It's easy.
easier because throat. But we can play C, E, G, the open. We have to imagine sound all the time. So I think both the long mouthpiece exercise help us a lot. Here, maybe more here. Yeah. You know what I mean? Yeah. So then mouthpiece then do you feel something different between after bending exercise? We did lip thrust exercise first, then a lot of bending exercise, then we did was lip thrust again. Do you feel something different first time and the last time?
Yes, I think bending exercise makes the connection between the notes be easier.
Yes, yeah, yes.
In between the notes.
Yes, yes. You feel something different?
No, I was gonna say the same thing.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know why. Yeah. Me either.
Because they are like the middleman between two notes.
Yeah.
So if you master this one, it's easy for this one to
Yes. Yes. So every day I do this exercise.
Yeah, but I also want to understand when you do bending notes. Let me try to demonstrate. Must it be like clear, very clear?
Yes. Yes.
No torido.
Immediately.
Oh.
So we have to practice with metronome. Yeah, some of my few of my Japanese students, I still have students in Japan, and sometimes I do every week once or twice teach with the online. The video lessons all the time with microphone. Sometimes students say they can't understand. I use piston or bending exercise because with metronome.
This is what
I think not here, not think about here. And I think you both felt when we play bending exercise, we need much more this energy.
Yeah.
If you go to this way, you will go down. So we have to keep straight way and much more stronger. So even if bending exercise is so then lip thrust exercise again. One, two, three, four. My Japanese student said that he realized how much it's like he he realized it's like how much he played with fingering. To change the note with only fingering.
Oh yeah.
No here. Just fingering. But now this exercise we can't. And no help. No help. So just think about and have to sing, have to sing. Completely same between Mouthpiece exercise. But unfortunately, when we play trumpet, same. You know what I mean? I'm singing all the time. I'm all the time singing. Not only finger.
Yeah.
So even not only it's a not. Not this. Sound not from here. Everything from here. So bending exercise also same. You both low C is intonation very low because I guess you no straight yes again one more time 1 2 3 4 Please follow metronome and straight way. 1 2 3 4
This should be easy.
Yes. So now easier. So concentrate between the note and
And
straight.
pushing the air
Yes.
straight
Straight.
forwards.
Yes. One, two, three, four. One, four. Yeah. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget straight. Yeah. I know this finger is the most difficult. This ringing. Yeah, so. One, two, three, four.
So again, return or sled?
What?
Return.
Turn, yeah, turn, yeah. This turn, yeah. But same sound. Yeah. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Da. Same sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. exercise and the Mouthpiece exercise, I think much easier.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yes.
Yeah, much easier. What do you feel?
Yeah,
Any question?
I know. It's all on me now to practice. Yeah.
And the much, it's easy to the connect between the note.
Yeah.
Yes. Because again, sound is vibration. A lot of vibration help us a lot. Big sound, sound color, sound connecting, everything. Because again, sound is vibration from science. But we have to understand. Chops vibrated by air.
How do you make the lower note text so clear? You think about the note or what's happening there? Straight.
Same. Yeah, same. and no this way.
Yeah, okay.
And if you get much more clear vibration, you feel lower note this way. Yeah, keep going. I think this bending exercise is a very good exercise for you both, especially. One more time. Yeah. No, almost no change in the sound quality. My playing. One more video. Come on, one more video. But please don't forget. Yes. This is exercise gives us much more clear sense.
Yes.
Yes. So you feel. I know you still sometimes feel the
Yeah.
but again and again, not 1 week, not 1 month,
Okay.
not half of year, 1 year. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Every morning, same idea. It's very difficult. Every morning, yeah. I practice 6 hours every day. The first 3 hours is fundamental. Almost little bit changing every week, but almost same. I change little bit, almost the same. 95% same. It's very difficult for mental because every day same. But I have to fresh the thinking. It's like this exercise is it's like a pastime for my life. And fresh and concentrate, big concentrate, because simple exercise need much more not concentration here, not concentration. Of course here, not here, here. To feel difference between the sound.
Can you please do the C? Yeah, this is it. Da, 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 was it bending?
I will give you this video link later.
Yes.
Yeah, don't worry about it. Yeah.
So I'm worried about the C, the lower C, and the higher C. No. In C, just E and G. Da 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 da. Yeah. Yeah.
But my feeling. Not this way.
Solo is not easy here.
No.
Yeah.
Straight. Straight. Even.
It's like not thinking like when you open the what is it, the tap, like water coming straight.
Yeah, no. Water. It's like a.
Hospital. Yeah.
It's a laser beam.
The car.
Yeah. Yeah. But of course, the two octave is a very difficult. You have to start this today. Yeah, today. Let's take a fundamental.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, this. Oh, sorry.
I want to fix the lower note.
Oh yeah.
On the C.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
B flat, yeah.
I never tell.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, maybe I will upload my TikTok and YouTube short. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe. Yeah. And maybe I will sometime. Yeah. Unfortunately, I don't have time. So, but maybe someday I will wrote the book. Yeah. To exercise.
Oh.
This kind of. Maybe I hope so. Yeah. Thank you for coming.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks to you.
Keep
for everything, yeah.
Keep. I know this is very difficult for mental. Every morning I'm so hard to keep my focus. Very, very difficult. I'm 44, but still this kind of exercise, it's like a junior high school student exercise. But still I doing junior high school student exercise. Be concentrate. It's very hard, but I talk to you. We can't skip any. We never have any quicker way. Keep going. Because especially brass instrument, we make sound. Our chops, our body to make our breathing. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So
The last question. How do you make this clear?
same way.
A.
Yeah, correct. There's like a cell, computer cell,
Yeah.
computer
But
cell.
for me, sometimes A. It's
Uh,
like some
maybe today this kind of the bending. Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Yeah, and the Mouthpiece. Yeah, many of students. It's like I'm very. It's like bending exercise help us a lot of things.
Yeah.
So many of students how to bending exercise, and some students ask, then bending exercise. Do you recommend bending exercise for for beginner? But I said, no. I know bending exercise give us a lot of good things, but bending note. Before we did Mouthpiece exercise. Mouthpiece exercise is fundamental. If we can play, we can make good sound, mouthpiece, never will. Mouthpiece exercise is much more important than bending exercise.
Oh.
Today we spend a lot of time mouthpiece exercise, a lot of time.
Yes.
Then bending, much more. Yeah. So keep going. Thank you.